Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation. This is Sanjida Akter Happy. My ID rong is 12404008. I am a student of Comilla University, Department of Mathematics. Have you ever thought your life without routine? Just think about your morning routine. You wake up, then what do you do next? Brush your teeth or eat breakfast? What if you have no idea what to do first? Life would be confusing, right? As we follow steps in our daily life, computers also need instruction for it. So, to make the instructions easy to understand, we use flowchart. As it is a important topic, we will learn about it. In my presentation, we will learn what is flowchart, why we use flowchart, the symbols, how to make it, why it is so important, and the limitations of flowchart. So let's talk about it. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a diagram that visually represents a process step by step using different symbols and arrows. It's commonly used in problem solving, programming, business process, and engineering to show how tasks or decisions flow from one step to another step. Now let's talk about why we use flowcharts. We use flowcharts because it simplifies complex processes. If a process is too long or complicated, it helps to make it simple or clear. Secondly, it helps to find mistakes easily, as it gives us an overview of a whole process. Thirdly, it saves time by providing a quick overview of a process, and it improves teamwork by making process clear. So let's talk about the symbols we use to make a flowchart. The oval shape represents the beginning or the ending of a process. The rectangular shape represents an action or step in the process. The diamond shape represents a decision making point with yes or no or true or false options. And the parallelogram shape represents input like user data or output like displaying results. And lastly, the arrows are used to show the direction of the process flow or connecting different steps. And now we will talk about how to make a flowchart. To make a flowchart, first of all, we have to identify the process we want to make. Then list all the steps of the process. Then choose the right symbols for every steps, and then connect the steps with arrows. And lastly, we have to review and refine the whole process. And now we will talk about why it is so important in our life. Flowchart simplifies complex processes and it helps in problem solving. It saves times and efforts and improves teamwork and communication. And also it reduces errors in processes. And also useful in multiple fields like programming, business, and engineering, etc. Though it is so important and it has so many opportunities, but it has limitations also. Its complexity in large processes, it needed frequent updates, and it's too much time consuming to create, and too many decisions to make it can be confusing. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you everyone.